Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Gmail notifications private and hide their content from your lock screen, you're in the right place. Whether you're concerned about sensitive information or just want more privacy, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it using the latest steps. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Once you're inside Gmail, look for the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Next, scroll all the way down until you see Settings and tap on it. If you have more than one Gmail account, you'll see them listed here. Tap on the email account you want to adjust. Now, find and tap on Manage Notifications. This section controls how and when Gmail alerts you, so it's the key to customizing your privacy. Scroll until you see the lock screen option and tap on it. Here, you'll see several choices for how notifications appear when your phone is locked. By default, your device might be set to show the full content of new emails, which means anyone holding your phone can see message previews. To keep things private, select Hide Content. With this setting enabled, your lock screen will still let you know when a new email arrives, but it won't display any details. No sender, no subject, and no message preview. Just a simple notification that keeps your information safe from prying eyes. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've made sure your Gmail notifications stay private, even when your phone is locked. It's a small change that can make a big difference in protecting your personal information. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newfound privacy.